Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this Coire aromatherapy air freshener. Now you can see here, this is a rechargeable air freshener that uses USB Type-C interface, and it's made to go inside of a cup holder, kind of like you see here in this photo. There's 3 different gears. There's an RGB polar lamp. It has an intelligent start, so basically it uses sensor for movement of the car driving. And this is what it looks like. It includes a little USB-C cable, of course, to charge it up. And let's just follow the instruction manual. Tells you all about it. And here is the top half. So like this is the smart half of the device, essentially. And then this is the cologne. So it's so easy because you're able to literally just unscrew this. You're able to pop this. You're able to take this, and they give you 2 of them actually. They even give you extra springs. Well, and so I would pop this off. There we go. Got it. Okay. Then on the bottom here, you can see there's like a little insertion area for this to go. So we take this, slide into here, and then we take this and slide into here. And then it kind of pushes all the way in, and you're able to just pull it back out. But now it's in there, and so then this part goes down into here and twists is on to tighten. Bada bing. So now you got your USB-C port to charge it. You charge it up, and you get in your car. Hold your power button, and that's low. And then this will just continue to put out fragrance in your car. They do give you the extra stick, the manual. This is essentially everything that comes inside of this. And I can say, I think this smells, oh wait, it turned off. There we go. I think this smells, it smells pretty good. I don't know how to put it there, like you can smell it. 150 milliliters of cologne, and you can change this to whatever you want once it's out. So if you want the lights on, hit that button. That puts those little RGB lights on, which are pretty cool. And if you just tap it, you can go to medium and high. It smells pretty good. I think I'm gonna put mine on medium and go put mine in the car. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.